Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm John Swicky, and thanks for joining me today. So we're gonna look at a new AI launch by Framer, and this is pretty new, so I haven't tried it yet, and I wanted to just take this time in this video to see what we can make with it. So Framer has had a couple different, I guess, iterations over the years. It used to be a strictly design tool, but it looks like now it is kind of like a web builder kind of thing, Squarespacey kind of thing. So they now have a text to site feature. So let's just scroll through the landing page here, see some examples. You know, some of them look pretty cool fonts. Looks like a portfolio site right here. It'll help with your copy, which is cool. And I think we can click on some of these. So that is very, very bold. Very bold. Wow. You know, I mean, right? Like some simple stuff, or if there's something you're boilerplating. You know, I think, right? Pretty good starting off points. You know, this one's pretty cool. I don't know if I know what all these icons are, but that's okay. Right? You can kind of see here. You can kind of see some potential here. Okay. So let's get into it. Let's see if we can get something going. I did make one already, but I want to try to make one on the fly here. Okay, let's do the all-important prompt, a modern landing page that is for a real estate agent, sure, who works in New York City. Please highlight links to listings, right? That's got to be important. Ways to contact them and their social media, and please include a section. You don't really have examples of work as a real estate agent. That's links to you link to your listings. What else would a real estate agent need? Oh, please include a section, a bio section, right? Include a bio section on the agent. Okay. All right, I like that prompt. Let's see what we can come up with here. All right, so it is kind of building as we go. Okay. It's writing the copy. All right, it's linking up to the social. Our real estate agent's name is James Thompson. Okay, I like that. We're taking the city by storm. Great copy. All right, the photos don't make any sense, but that's okay. Right, placeholder, sure. Okay, a little like, I can see this being useful, right? You know, interesting color choices too, right? Because we've got this kind of really kind of interesting palette here with this orange down here, and this big 23 too. Fascinating. I do want to try a different palette here, so let's see what happens if I just hit that. Okay, so gives me some predetermined palettes over here. That's kind of cool. I like that. Let's scroll down here. Let's look at the mobile version. Listings, contact. Skyline 23. I don't think I get that. All right, let's delete the 23 and see what happens. Okay. All right, got it through on my other screens. Pretty cool. You know, I mean, it was, it was fascinating, right? Because I feel like I got a lot here with very little input. You know, and I can kind of start editing this a little bit, right? I can, let's see, can I make, I have an AI button here. Let's see what happens. Oh, it looks like it's just shuffling through different styles and stuff. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, it gives you some new color options. Yeah, I mean, there's, for the non-designers out there, you could probably get something serviceable pretty quickly. If you have a couple page site, You can kind of feel like you have some control over it, right? And kind of dictating some of those design decisions and, things like that. I think that could be really cool. But I mean, I'm it has its flaws, but it's kind of better than I thought it would be, for sure. So, pretty cool stuff, I think. And I am on a free account, so it looks like anybody, and I think you can kind of sign up and play with it a little bit. And okay, so let's see. Let's publish this and let's look at our page. So I think on the free account you get these little made and framer badges down below. So wow, this is big. Woo. But again, I think super interesting for our first go around. Less than 10 minutes we've got a site online. So pretty impressive. Something I kind of still want to play around with a little bit more. I want to kind of see how far you can take the prompts and see what else you can kind of do with this. But so that's a look at Framer AI. Thanks for joining me, everybody, today, and we'll see you next time.